Alright, I'm here with another layout. Alright, so my background is going to be basil cardstock. The color name is Pollen. So I'm just marking where I want to cut my paper. And I'm going to change my color. And I've had this since the Scraptastic kit days. It came in a kit and it was dried out. So all I did was simply add water and it was like new again. I didn't think it would work because I've never done that before. Alright, so that confetti pattern is Pink Paisleys Page Evans number 4 at 50 pound ago. And I know he gets up, he moves. And so that lime geometric shape pattern is Pink Paisleys Page Evans 5th and Monaco. I messed up cutting and I was like, oh well. I don't think that is. Let me see. Get one of these. That's gonna hurt me now. Okay. Yeah, it is. Because the reverse side of that geometric shape is the stripes. It's Miss Modern stamp marking. How I did that, I don't know. I knew I was wrong. I have to change that. Alright, anyway. So that blue floral is also Miss Modern. At least I got it right now. I'm just writing down the size of my papers because I actually put that part on my blog. This is my niece playing in the sprinklers at the pool. I realized, why is my pictures not going on there? One is more uneven than the other, so the paper was crooked. I'm going to put this card that is cut from an April kit, or the April kit, I should say. Their dishes are outside, bunny. Yeah. Because they were outside, so I fed them out there. Anyway, and I forgot what I was saying. Jeez, I'm hungry. Sorry. Yeah. Alright, so let me see. So this pink with orange polka dot, that is from Miss Modern Stamp Market, which is funny because I have stripe layer, reverse side of the line layer, and I have that one right, but the other one I have wrong, which is silly. Alright, so I'm using my stencil to make me some circles. Yeah, Theo and Sabrina, they like to go out in the screen porch in the mornings. Just position that down just so. And there it's the striped pattern, the same as the lime. And that's going to go under the, I just go by the circle. Yeah, it goes at the top by the circle. And I did the line paper because that way it can, and my cutter keeps, my notebook punch keeps messing up. Anyway, so I'm just trying to cut off the ends. I decided, hey, I need to move this over more because it's covering too much of my circle. Alright, so Sunshiny Days is American Crafts Sunshine Stickers. Sunshiny. Oh, wait a minute, because I didn't put that there for journaling. I put it there for my title. My apologies. I did this layout. Oh gosh, I haven't been able to scrapbook, not even on the weekends, because the weekends I've been trying to spend doing housework and yard work. Yeah, so. And I have a lot of, this is from the current kit, but I have a lot left over from April and March. Or at least April. I didn't use too terribly much. And so the die cuts, of course, are Bicky Booten. Art for Everyone, I think. Yeah, Art for Everyone. And that copied mug I got from a student, it says, "You are the best teacher in the world." And I'm really excited because I have a sibling to a student that I had in first grade, my first year in first grade. And the mom is amazing. Amazing. Alright. So those stickers that I'm using by the title, those are from Dear Lizzie. And then my circle, my blue circle is Basil cardstock. And then, yeah, those are, even the phrase is from Dear Lizzie. And then I'm just going to glue down my die cuts, and then once that's done, that is it for this layout. So I'll let you finish watching. Thank you for watching my channel. I hope it inspires you, gives you ideas, because that's why I enjoy doing it. And when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.